Hello mga ka-Fab! We're back in Baguio for another exciting hotel staycation experience. Kahit umuulan, tuloy ang gala. Kasi sa ganitong lamig, Baguio's charm shines even brighter. This time, we're checking in at Hotel Elizabeth. Cozy vibes, mountain feels, and Baguio beauty all in one. Tara na! Samahan niyo ako in this staycation adventure. Let's go mga ka-Fab! Hello, good morning! Di pa available yung room. Hintayin natin ng konti, maybe a couple of hours. And later, hopefully, maka-check-in po tayo. Mga ka-Fab! Mga ka-Fab, before we continue this vlog episode, I'd just like to thank you for watching and for the support that you did for all these years. And of course, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be another exciting vlog episode. Mga ka-Fab, yes, another hotel here that we will be reviewing, and I will show you my entire stay here at Hotel Elizabeth here in Baguio.
Much later.
Tinawag na tayo mga ka-Fab. I think mag-check-in na. Yes po.
Sir, you book for 1 deluxe queen for
Yes.
9 nights. Ano sila kung kasama?
So may deposit na 1,000. Yeah.
Save 1,000. Number, Wi-Fi password, 2 key cards, and then breakfast coupons niyo, sir, hanggang July 13 na po ito, sir, from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. dyan po sa restaurant. And then, kung gusto niyo magpalinis ng room, sir, that's upon request. Cleaning time po natin is 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. So, sabihan niya lang po. Third floor, sir, may elevator po sa side, and then may gamit po kayo papa-assist.
May gym kayo?
Meron, sir, sa second floor.
Anong floor?
Second floor.
Yung swimming pool?
Swimming pool, sir, wala.
Wala. Okay, sige. Let's check in together. We're at room 316. Dito tayo, room 316. Hanapin natin. Yes, nahanap na natin yung room natin. Hello and welcome to our stay here at Elizabeth Hotel. Tara! Finally, antok-antok na tayo after a 5-hour travel from Manila. Natsaka check-in na tayo dito sa Hotel Elizabeth here in Baguio City. Start the vacay! Let's start the room tour, and that's the view from our room. You will see there all the pine trees growing and so calm, so quiet. Okay, so ito na, just like a queen size bed. Parang may chair on the bedside, may tea table, may lagayan ng bags mo dyan. Of course, my mirror, my TV, and my sole compartment area. And there is tea given and water. Of course, ayan ang pillows, 4 pillows. And there's this painting. And a mirror again. Hello. Buksan natin to. Sliding pala, sorry. Oops. Yan, there you go. Oops, merong gold box. Yan, isang view ulit. Yan, ganda. So, walang aircon po mga guys. Open lang natin yung window na yan and malamig na breeze ang mararamdaman mo because this is Baguio. Pasok tayo dito sa toilet and bath. May dalawang towels na binigay. This is so cute. What's this? And similar sa same toiletries na binibigay dun sa Hotel Elizabeth in Cebu. Ayan, and a mirror. Hello. Oh, gusto ko to. Dito may nakalagay na. Dryer, hair dryer. And ayan na yung shower. Taran! Oops. Dalawa lang. And thank God there's a bidet and a tissue. So, looks comfy, very homey, and a perfect stay here in Baguio. Labas tayo ulit and taran, dyan tayo galing. Taran, pasok ulit tayo. Guys, kung feel nyo mainit, ayan, may electric fan, may ceiling fan. Hindi natin napakita itong ref na to. Ayan, may ref. So talagang ikaw talaga magsasaksak nito sa likod, sa gilid para mag-on tong ref na to. Ayan. Now, just sharing you some info na hindi natin na-include kanina sa room tour.
A few moments later.
It's a late Sunday night. Ready na kami sana matulog, pero yung isang friend namin nakalimutan yung laptop niya, so we have to meet her somewhere here. So mangyari, maglalakad kami towards her hotel, and she'll also walk her towards Elizabeth Hotel. We're gonna meet in the middle. So yun lang, papakita ko lang. Yan, ito na sa gabi. Lakad tayo. Decided to kunan na rin ito ng shot para ano talagang nagaganap sa gabi. And of course, papakita rin natin day shot nito. Yan. Sa madilim. Madilim siya sa gabi. At yan po yung hotel namin. Ayan. Kunan pa natin ng shot. Ayan na po yung front signage ng hotel namin. Hotel at kunan ulit natin ng shot sa gabi. Yan yung hotel. Yun na yung nilakad natin. And that's the hotel again. Kunan lang natin. May mga dumadaan na konting jeep lang talaga dito sa gabi. Dumadaan. Konting lang. It's not as busy as if you are in near Burnham Park. Yan, Grumpy Joe, madadaanan mo yan. Try natin yan later or tomorrow pala. We're back. Naihatid ko na yung laptop sa friend ko. Papakita ko lang ang ilaw dito sa hotel paggabi. Dito sa Hotel Elizabeth. Ganda, no? Ngayon, if you notice, humihingal ako kasi paakyat po. Alam niyo naman, ganun naman ang Baguio, paakyat. Hindi tayo medyo sanay sa akyatan, pero nilalaban natin kasi exercise nga. Diba ang ganda? One more 360 degrees. Ganda. Yan. Oh, di ba?
The next day.
Good morning, Baguio. Ay, salamat, tumigil na rin yung ulan. Pero sabi nila, this entire week daw, uulan daw sa Baguio. Sana naman mapagod yung ulan and give us a little sunshine. But I don't mind, I love this kind of weather. So, gising na po tayo to start the week. So, dapat naka-ready na yung voucher or meal coupon code. Ito pa. Thank you. Ayan mga ka-fab, let's start the food tour naman ngayon. Ayan. There. Kain po tayo. I'll start my meal with this healthy Hotel Elizabeth Shoe. Sarap, so healthy.
Much later.
Yeah, thank you. And of course, thank you so much, Hotel Elizabeth, for the free upgrade. Case-to-case basis, talagang ni-request talaga namin yung, please, pa-experience nyo naman kami na may balcony, na may veranda. Ayan, na-experience na nga natin yan mga ka-fab. Ay, ang ganda pa rin talaga kasi you have this feeling that you can have your own space here, have your own coffee in the morning, and just enjoy the view. Thank you, Hotel Elizabeth.
The following day.
Saan punta mo? Parang nawawala ka. Sino pangalan mo? Ha? Babae ka ba lalaki? Ha? Good boy. Ingat ka ha. Stoy. Ingat ka ha. Siyempre, di pwedeng hindi natin puntahan tong The Mansion na sobrang lapit lang sa The Hotel Elizabeth. Ang ganda. At maraming nagja-jogging in the morning. Ang lapit lang, siguro mga 5-minute walk. Well guys, nilakad lang kasi natin. Pero ang sarap mag-exercise. Good morning again, mga ka-fab. Finally, umaraw na rin sa Baguio.
It's yellow. Come on, look at this. It's so weird. Mom, it's like this leaf.
Hello mga ka-fab. So before tayo mag-check out dito sa Hotel Elizabeth, iikot ko muna kayo from ground to penthouse. Mag-umpisa tayo sa baba. Okay? Let's go. So, dyan tayo kumakain. Dyan nila sineserve yung breakfast buffet nila in the morning. Ayan. So, lakad tayo doon. Maglakad tayo doon. Itong area na to, Santorini Grand Ballroom to. I think dito rin yung mga function hall nila. Wherein you can, organize your meetings, function halls, and other events. Ganda lang ng design, no? Look at that. Yan yung function hall nila. Malaki din, ha? Uy, lakas maka-chandelier, lakas maka-royalty. Okay, next. Malaki siya, ha? In fairness. Oh, ayan. Madilim lang. Ayan. Look. Lakas ng wall painting. Ganda. Ang ganda pa ng carpet, oh. Ayan. Hotel Elizabeth. Nice. So, wala siyang aircon. No need to kasi daming mga balcony, oh. Or terrace. Pasok tayo. Ayan. Ganda. So, yun yung Gibraltar Road. Papunta doon yung The Mansion, Pride Park. Papunta doon naman yung, of course, yung, what they call this? Mines View. Ganda, oh. Tingnan mo. And look at that wall painting, or I don't know if that's a painting or a sticker, wall sticker. Tara, baba tayo dito kung ano meron pa dito. Okay, what's in here? I'm just curious. View ulit. Okay. Mga rooms na siguro to. Ayan, rooms na yan. Oops, mahaba siya. More rooms. Kaya tayo ulit sa taas. Okay, balik tayo. Yan ang lobby nila. Cute ka mga fab na, tingnan mo, oh. So, imbis mag elevator tayo, gamitin tayo yung stairs. Yan. So, may access ulit dito. May garden. Ganda. Wow. Akyat ulit. Ito na yung fitness center nila. Let's go. Pakita ko ulit yung view. Akyat ulit. Finally, the sun is out. Akyat ulit. Akyat ulit. View. Akyat ulit. 4th floor na tayo. Tara, akyat ulit tayo sa 5th floor. View ulit. Ito na siguro yung penthouse. Ang ganda. Wow. Ito na nga. Beautiful. Look at that, oh. Humihingal ako. So, yun ang inakyat natin, mga ka-fab, ha? Okay. Let's go here. Ay, okay. So, parang iyan yung area ng kung if you have a room here, this is your space. Look at that. Oh my gosh. How beautiful. How beautiful. How beautiful. Yan. Diba?
A few moments later.
Thank you so much, Flora Cafe here at Hotel Elizabeth Baguio. Maraming salamat. Thank you. Goodbye room. Thank you so much, Hotel Elizabeth. Hope to be back soon. Definitely I would stay here again and again and again. How my. So meron naman silang parking space dito and outdoor. And of course, tulungan tayo ni Kuya. Thank you so much for helping me. Punta tayo sa receptionist para mag-check out. Hindi ko na yung deposit ko. Okay. And as always, don't forget to embrace life not just beautifully, but fabulously. See you in my next hotel staycation episode. Thank you mga kapab. Thank you Kuya.